Wondering what to do with all that water your Samsung FlexWash spits out after a load? I'm breaking down the best way to handle washer-drain water, why people slap pantyhose over the drain hose, and whether you actually need to bother filtering out all that fuzz and crud like your dad and grandpa did. So here's the real scoop. Most washing machines, including your FlexWash, are designed so the water can go straight down the drain, no problem. That's totally fine per the manual, but if you grew up seeing the fam wrap stockings around the hose or use those mesh lint catchers in the utility sink, there's actually some logic to that. Those little DIY filters snag hair, lint, and random gunk before it slides into your pipes, or, worse, into city sewers and local waterways. It's not strictly required, but it's low-key a smart habit, especially in older homes or places with ancient plumbing that clogs easily. If you've ever had to snake a slow drain full of mystery sludge, you know what I mean, like it's just nasty. Newer front loaders like yours tend to make less lint, and sometimes even have their own built-in filter systems, so you might not see as much crud as with the old-school machines. Still, I'd say it's good practice to use a pantyhose or mesh catcher on the hose if you want to keep things flowing smooth and avoid future headaches. Just swap the filter when it's full of lint balls, toss it out, and boom, you're helping your pipes and the planet. One of the most common mistakes with washer-drain water is just ignoring regular maintenance until you notice your laundry sink draining slower than molasses. People forget about lint buildup inside both the hose and the drain pipe, which can lead to backups or even overflows. So just check it every month or so and give it a good clean out. Another issue is using super tight filters that actually slow down drainage, putting stress on your pump. Don't do that. Just use a loose mesh or old stocking. And yeah, folks sometimes let the lint catcher get way too full before tossing it, which defeats the whole point and can even make clogs worse, so keep an eye on it and swap as needed. If you want an easy way to find reliable pros for any home project, or if you're a contractor looking to score more jobs, BigHomeProjects.com totally hooks up homeowners with trustworthy local contractors while helping skilled tradespeople land more gigs without all the runaround. It's like having a legit shortcut for getting stuff done right the first time.